now. Yeah. Kain tayo, kain. Yung tiniyo ko kaninang umaga na maliliit na isda. Tapos tayo ay may sinigang na ulo ng salmon na napakarami ng gulay. Tapos manis ko ang ating kanin. Hindi mo, pas muna tayo sa ano. Pas muna tayo sa basmati. Manis ko ang kanin natin eh. Ilang buwan kaming basmati.
Do you like Thailand rice?
No, I like also basmati, but I missed it. How many months now we are basmati? Eating
Basmati is good, number one.
I know, but you know, I used to eat this rice when I was in the Philippines. That's why I missed it. Kain! Bismillah. Naku, hindi ako nakagawa ng sawsawan na rin.
Assalamu alaikum. كيف الحال؟ شو الأخبار؟ Gutom na ako.
Gutom na daw siya. Ang tagal ng mga anak kong kumain. Hinihintay namin silang matapos bago kami kumain. Dahil hindi kami kasya din sa lamesa.
Which one basmati? This one? Kain tayo.
Araw-araw ako naka-okra. Baka ako yung kung ano mapaano na nito, lagi na lang naka-okra. Masarap. Kung alam ko lang na masarap ang tiniyo nito, marami sana nabili ko.
Tuyo?
I made it. Isang kilo nabili ko eh.
Amoy?
No. Did you smell in the house when I cook eh?
No.
It's not.
Maybe you put onion.
No.
Long time we missed this one.
Head of salmon, yeah?
Before I eating, my eyes is swollen. Celia is hiding
Where? I was looking for her.
behind the couch. She found some place.
She's scared.
No. She said masarap that area. Her favorite in the cabinet, but now she's jumping everywhere. She's big already. Sarah, she eat?
Yeah.
When I eat like that?
It's not light.
Why?
It's too late.
Not late.
I had to clean the kitchen after we eat.
What shape silly?
I have so many works to do also.
babies will come back now. I eating head. If you eat head in Arabic, your babies will come back.
Ay ba?
And nobody will talk with you. Because you will look one side.
Marami kang alam.
Our soup is nice. Should be put in the bowl. Beolwy. And drink the soup. Soup should be drink in the beginning. Still, you will cook in the kitchen?
No. I said I will clean.
How much this salmon?
10 dirhams, 1 kilo.
What? Head. Normal one, how much?
45.
Expensive?
Yeah. 45, that is only 2 slices.
Like for a steak? For one person.
For 2.
Two slices not enough for 2 person.
Yeah. Melon juice. Nice.
Melon with the salmon?
Yeah.
Salamu alaikum your tummy.
No.
Yeah.
No, honey.
Because you know for what? I drinking the soup.
It's okay.
What? Your tummy okay with that? But for me, I don't think so. Because I have planned to drink the soup.
Say bye-bye na.
Hmm?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Fi aman Allah.